Warm greetings to one and all present here. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Antiraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So today we are going to see about the lecture series on the subject as data science and visualizations under the topic programming language and libraries in data science. Yes, so here if you want to start with that data science, so we can able to define that it has been considered as a several powerful programming language. So with an Python and an R and an SQL, so it has been widely used. So here if you want to check with a specialized language like an Scala and an emerging and options such as an Julia, Python and an R are considered as the main competitors. So among the free data science tools. So if you want to use the data science tools, so this has been used. Python and R has been used for the very competitive among them all other data science tools. So if you want to define or if you want to know about Python, so it is considered as the general purpose leader. So here Python is the fast growing and fast popular in data science, so often and considered the program languages of the choice for the data science commonly. So though we have a number of languages, this Python has been conformly telling that it has been a popularly used language in data science. So it is nothing but it is a general purpose language with a rich ecosystem suitable for mathematics and engineering, deep learning and data manipulations and visualizations. This has been a main reasons, so in which where we can able to use this this language for used in the field of data science. So its popularity stems from its readability, ease of use, so even for a non-computer scientist. So even though we are not using for an non-computer science, so it can be able to be adapted to use for their better outcome. So here next one, ability to leverage fast underlying and CNN photon implementations through an wrappers called as a NUMI, and it can be as sci-fi. So here, so not only for these informations which can be used and also for others. So next we can able to check about that. So Python libraries for data science are typically categorized into 6 groups. So first one we can able to check with the core libraries. So here already we can able to know about the core libraries. That is library means it is a collections of books where we can able to refer. So if you want to tell about define about core libraries, so it can able to have many tasks based on a fast, efficient and vectorized computing provided by a NumPy and SpyPy Python, which can be used to speed up critical code paths by supporting C functions and variables. So already we can able to know what is meant by a library. It is a collections of books where we can able to refer and can able to do the programs as well. So it has been efficiently giving a numerical and vector computing supports. So here next one, data preparations. How can we able to prepare data? So it is defined as Fontas is the recommended library for data manipulations and pre-processing. So here we can able to use Fontas. So it has been recommended. So definitely we can able to use this in Fontas. So for the library for data manipulation, doing some changes in data, it is called as data manipulations, and we can able to do the pre-processing, offering a wide range of capabilities for handling diverse and data formats. So examples, if you want to know about a diverse data format, it can be used in an Excel, CSS and an SQL, and it can able to provide a strong community support. So what are the people those are working for an same criteria, they can be able to define as a community support. So next one we can able to see about data visualizations. So visualizations is nothing but giving the outcome in a programmatic format, or how we can able to check with the informations where we can able to include the math, plotlib and then Seaborn and then plotty. And here if you want to know about a matplot, it can able to be provide various extensive possibilities for customization. So through its low level syntax, it can be confusing initially. So here since we are hearing about these and technical words, so it will be very new. So it can be able to build matplotlib and generally easier for beginners. So plotly is considered as the most powerful for an visualization, data visualizations, and it can able to support for an interactive graph. So here we can able to use for the graph purpose. All these data can be able to use. Next one, machine learning. So it is the short form of a machine learning is an ML. So it is called as an scikit-learn. So it is the most popular library offering a large scope of an implemented algorithm. So if you want to use for the algorithm, that is an algorithm is defined as a step-by-step program, it can able to offer a large scope. So here we can able to have a number of scope, a standardized interfaces, and an excellent and an intuitive documentation. So here next one, deep learning in the short form is called as a DL. So it is a key library, includes an TensorFlow, Keras, and a PyTorch TensorFlow. So this has been developed by a Google Brain, so offering an extensive functionalities, and it will be suited for an customizations due to its low level nature. So customizations means we can able to do some of the changes as per our need. So here Keras is used to build on a top of an TensorFlow, allowing for an high level coding suited for an quickly prototyping. Prototyping is it is defined as a set of rules where we can able to define as per our convenience. Next one, PyTorch. It is developed by the Facebook, which is highly regarded for being dynamic, procedural, and an easier to debug, making it also good choice for an quick prototyping. So here if you want to use these informations, it will be in a procedural, so we can able to debug, we can able to check the errors and can able to modify the errors as per our requirements. Next one, big data. So the best tool for an API is for a native library. So here we can able to use a Spark, that is an API exposing a Spark data processing, which is a model to Python and Hadoop streaming. So next one, the statistical specialized. So R was primarily designed for statistical computing. So why? Because it can able to offers an excellent array of an high quality package for statistical data. So if you want to use do statistical data, we can able to use this R, and it is a collections and visualizations. So it is noted for its a strong support for a reproducible research, and is an historically Python's major competitors. So next we can able to see about a roadmap of data science and core concepts and tools. So here data science roadmap means so you can able to process. So next one, so programming languages and core libraries, machine learning, classifications and regressions, unsupervised learning. So here we can able to check with the data handling and visualizations, advanced specialist topic. So let me thank one and all for giving me this golden opportunity. Let us meet in some other occasions in a different topic. Thank you.